Hi, and welcome to your prompt tutorial. Today, we are going to show you how you can create wonderful campaigns with just three simple things. The first thing you're going to need is your website. A landing page can work too, a brand name or business name, and then to describe what you are advertising. So, if you don't have ideas, you can always try the sample text for inspiration. In this case, we're going to be working with a yoga and Pilates studio. So we're going to generate, and AI will give us a campaign description. This is a prompt that we can edit. We can even ask it to make it friendlier, for example, and then add to our favorites. We have a whole library, and we can always come back and select from here. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see you have some suggested ideas. You can always generate based on those. And then at the bottom of everything, you have the campaign format. You can select which media you want to use: stock media, half and half, or your own. This is also the place where you can select your preferred language and where you can add your offer. Now, once you're ready, it's time to generate the campaign. As you can see, different ad combinations are being formed and everything will be done for you. As you can see, every section has been made out for you. From the video to the text, you can even play around with the GPTs to change the tone. And even the targeting is here. As you can see, you don't even have to play around with this. You can create lookalike audiences or retargeting with just a couple of clicks. Now, creating is as easy as following the flow and then just adding your budget. And without any complications, with just a couple of clicks, you can launch a campaign that works and that is really effective. You can take a look at the different ad combinations just to see what's going to be A B tested.